Not all children with epilepsy need lifelong medications. Sometimes, in certain conditions, epilepsy may be curable. You want to know how? Yes, we can do epilepsy surgery in ideal candidates even in children, which will have amazing outcome and overall development. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Varsha Reddy, consultant pediatric neurologist, Yashoda Hospital, Secunderabad. So, epilepsy becomes drug resistant when the child is on more than 2 medications on optimal dose and duration. Despite having 2 medications, if the child is suffering from fits or seizures every day or frequently or monthly or weekly, this may hamper the overall development of the child. So, it will impact their speech, it will impact their intelligence, cognitively, and also it may purely impact their quality of life. So I have seen patients where because of the epilepsy, because of fits coming every other day frequently, the child was not sent to school, which going to impact their outcome. So how do we choose epilepsy surgery candidates? So epilepsy surgery, it is not just you come to us and we perform a surgery. There is a very detailed pre-surgical evaluation that we do, and we select the candidates who are ideal or not. So what is that process that we do? So any child coming with drug resistant epilepsy using more than 2 seizure medications with optimal dose and duration and still having continuous seizures, we do a complete video EEG monitoring, prolonged EEG monitoring, where we isolate the focus, where is the epileptogenic focus in the entire structure of the brain. And next, followed by that, we do an MRI brain epilepsy protocol, which is an advanced, more better study to see the structures of the brain, where there is any malformation, any abnormal growth, any particular focus where it is coming from. After that, we also do a PET CT scan to see that if there is any low metabolism in the brain. Along with that, we also delineate any tracks following these lesions, and also we do brain mapping. So after a complete pre-surgical evaluation, if we arrive at the diagnosis that there is a one single focus that is where the epilepsy is coming from, not the complete part of the brain, any one side, one particular location, this child becomes an ideal candidate for epilepsy surgery. So after careful pre-anesthetic evaluation, neurosurgical opinion, we do the planning, and even intra-op, we connect the EEG leads, we call the ECOG. So we connect these leads into the cortex of the brain to again check whether the focus is coming from this particular part. So even intra-op also we do monitor, we isolate the epileptogenic focus, and then we do the resection or disconnection or multiple ways to limit the spread of the focus. So in this way, when we achieve that focus removal through surgery, the child will almost have complete seizure-free interval and may not require lifelong medications. So this is going to dramatically improve the quality of life in child, the speech, the development outcome, cognitive, the IQ levels, and overall burden for the family. So epilepsy surgery is very safely done in pediatrics, and we have kids, I personally have kids under me who are suffering from epilepsy for years together, where an epilepsy surgery had saved the child, and now she is writing her exams beautifully, attending school with no medications. So that's the beauty of this surgery, which can improve the outcome in children. Thank you.
If you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe for more health updates.